In this video, I'm gonna take you along with me on my smoke run. This is an adventure that I didn't plan to have. I just had because the West Coast, there was so much smoke coming into Central Oregon. It doesn't smell good out here at all. All the smoke. Oh my gosh. I slept so good last night at the rest stop. That's funny. I can't believe I'm here. This is nuts. There's a big stump right here. I took a wrong turn. That was not good. I started heading south for clearer skies and checked out this covered bridge. There's 49, they estimate, covered bridges left in Oregon. That was so cool. Thank you. There's so many and they're so good. They're sweet. It looks like there's no smoke in Mount Shasta, so I think I'm gonna head down there. I'm looking on my map. It looks like in Mount Shasta, I see a lake. It looks like a decent sized lake. I'm gonna see if I can do some paddle boarding in that area. Got my day parking pass. I'm headed down to this lake. So pretty. This water wasn't as freezing as an alpine lake, but it was still like a little bit chillier than being really comfortable. It was kind of a funny middle ground, which is why it took me so long to get in. And I talked to this little boy with his noodle. At this lake, there's a really cool little like splash area for kids. And then over there is Mount Shasta. I still haven't snowboarded on Mount Shasta. It's on my bucket list, but after I went paddleboarding, I found a campsite for the night and it was pretty awesome. It's not easy to run from the smoke because you just never know where it's gonna go. So I'm headed to the coast, which is like a 5-hour drive. I don't know that it's not gonna get smoky there as well. One of the things that makes a good adventure an adventure is the unpredictability. So it is kind of fun to not really know if you're headed in the right direction, and you kind of end up going places that you wouldn't necessarily pick because they're just smoke free, and then you get to learn about places that are totally different. Look, I just smudged it. All the smoke. All right, we're leaving. It smells like burnt toast. It doesn't smell good out here. I got my oil changed in Southern Oregon and it ended up staying the night at a rest stop. I slept so good last night at the rest stop. That's funny. Yeah, I slept through the night pretty much. I remember kind of halfway waking up once, but my watch says I got 8 hours and 24 minutes. This is what I'm looking at. I like that it monitors my sleep because I don't know, I used to sleep really bad, and I think that it was mostly caffeine and alcohol. And now that I've limited my caffeine and I'd say limited my alcohol, I cut out alcohol for a while, I'm good. I stayed at the rest stop for the morning and leisurely took my time getting ready and making coffee, but I knew I'd have to go again soon because the smoke was headed back through Southern Oregon. on the way to the coast, there was this spot to stay at for the night, and it looked like it was on top of a hill. It had a good review. I can't believe I'm here. This is nuts. The sun is beautiful with these smoky sunsets. They're really pretty. Holly, feel so lucky to be able to have a rig to come out here, some free time, some internet, remote work, and just be able to spend my time exploring like this. I just can't believe I'm here. And I can't believe I was so brave. This was kind of sketch to get here. And I was so brave. And I was like, yeah, I got this. Yeah, I got this all day long. All day long, all day strong. Golly. Wow. Ah! This is crazy. Am I a little scared tonight? Yeah. Like sleeping up here all alone. It feels kind of scary tonight. Best campsite I've ever had. What a blessing to be here. Okay, I'm going inside. I'm in shorts and I'm cold. Just in awe. I can't believe I'm here. I can't believe my truck's on the top of this mountain, just chilling. Check out all those spots. Wow. Oh my gosh. I think it told me not to do that. Okay, I'm waking up. The game plan today is I'm gonna keep heading to the coast. I like this like moody, foggy weather that we've got going on. This is nice. Okay, sunglasses. I gotta make this quick. Put my tea kettle up. I kind of feel like a smoke bandit. It's like I'm trying to run from it and it just keeps following me. I'm gonna be optimistic and say that like in a couple days, all the smoke's gonna go away. Maybe not. All right, let's roll. Bye, beautiful but smoky mountains. I gotta make sure that my bike, you see how it's kind of like leaning? Now I can leave. Whew, that took forever.
I'm a rolling stone, bound to roam. Come the morning, or I'll be gone.
I'm predicting that backing up's gonna be a little sketch because this kind of just goes off and down there.
Pouring rain, oh, to hear that train. There she comes, won't you get on?
Y'all, I just turned her around on a mountain. Woohoo! I'm getting the hang of this truck life. Bye. opens up right here. It looks like this can be a gate, or was a gate at one time. That's weird. Huh. Ooh.
Take a sip, I'ma pack my grip. One more trip, and I'ma move.
There's a big stump right here. I made a wrong turn. I'm gonna have to back up. Dang it. Not cool. Okay, I gotta focus.
Across the track, don't look back. All the jazz roll on. City lights, what blinds your eyes? Don't look twice, just go on.
Hey, thank you so much for watching. This video took me a really long time to edit and even get started because I've been doing short form videos for a while to grow my audience, and it really got me in a different headspace and trying to like go back into long form video. I also had filmed a lot of clips in short form, so if you keep up with my shorts too, that you know there was a breakdown in there and I overheated my engine. I'll have to go into a full-length video on that because it was pretty sketch. Bye.